Hello, we're going to do a Pearson's product moment correlation test. Now basically this is used if you're trying to identify a relationship, so it could also be called a correlation, between two variables. So for example here, is there a relationship between the number of shots people take and their confidence levels? Alright, so there are two variables. Another example is there a correlation between the number of calories you eat and the amount of body fat you have? So is there a relationship between them? So you would do a test like this to prove that there is a correlation between them, there is a relationship. So the first thing we have to do on here is we have to do this little calculation here. So we need to find our DF value. So that is easy. You just say the number of subjects, take away 2. So we have 8 subjects. We take away 2, so our DF equals 6. Now what we're going to use that for, so if I change screens, is we're going to use this right at the very end. So we're going to go down here and we're going to look at DF6 and go along until we want to look at this number here. Alright, so we'll come back to that. So to do the actual test, we're simply going to go Tools, Tools, Data Analysis, Paired Two Sample Test, and then we're going to select our data. So here's one set of data, and we're going to see if it has a relationship with this data, confidence. And then we put 0 in here. Right, so make sure there is a 0 in there. You can say OK. Right, and then what we're going to focus on is here, look, Pearson's correlation. So at the minute it says 1. So let's flick back to our here. Now we're going to remember 1, and we're going to look along here and on here. So it says, if your result is equal to or greater than the critical value in the table, your result is significant. So is our number greater than or equal to 0.7067? Well, it's 1. So that is greater than 0.7067. So our results are significant. We can prove that there is a correlation between our shots taken and our confidence levels.